How to fix lag in Blox Fruits mobile. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll show you how to reduce lag in Blox Fruits mobile. Follow the simple steps to further better performance. Firstly, you have to select the fast mode before choosing a site. This will simplify textures and models, enhancing performance noticeably. Next, access the settings by tapping on the Blox icon, navigate to the graphics mode, and switch to manual. Lowering graphics quality can further boost performance, elevate with the trade-off in visuals, and lastly, choose background apps to free up memory for smoother gameplay. Implementing these tips will enhance your Blox Fruits mobile experience, and if this guide has helped you, please consider liking and subscribing for more tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. Happy gaming and see you in the next one.